ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Myself Dr. Nanjun N, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. My lecture on problem solving session on some reduction formula. So on the basis we'll take some particular problems on different reduction formula basis. The first one, evaluate integration 0 to 5 x cos power x with respect to x. Now for this, let in is the given integral. On changing x to pi minus x in the given integral, we may get. So here now we can split into two functions, phi into integration 0 to 5 cos power x into x, one function, and minus integration 0 to 5 x cos power x into dx. We know that cos of phi minus x, it is in second quadrant, therefore it goes to cos x. Therefore integration phi 0 to 5 cos power x dx minus, and this we call it as in. Now if I take minus in into left hand side, it becomes 2 into in equals 5 into 0 to pi by 2 cos power x into dx. Now to compute the value of this integration by using the reduction formula, integration 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx into dx, here n equals 4, it is a even number. So on the basis the entire equation become 5 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2, because we will take the multiplication pi by 2 because n is a even number. Therefore the answer of this given integration, it becomes 3 pi square by 16. And problem number 2, evaluate integration 0 to a x power n divided by square root of a square minus x square into dx. Now we'll take let I is equal to the given integral, call it as equation number 1. Now we can compute this problem, that means this integration, by taking a substitution x equals a sin theta in 1, then dx become a into cos theta dt. Now we will look at the corresponding limits. When x equals 0, theta becomes 0. When x equals a, theta becomes 5 by 2. Now if I take all the substitution in equation 1, it becomes I equals 0 to pi by 2 sin power n theta by root of a square minus a square into sin square theta into dx is nothing but a cos theta d theta. Now after simplification of all these things, the given integral becomes integration 0 to 5 by 2 sin power n theta into d theta. Here a cos theta will be cancelled. Now for this integration, it takes the values like that according to our standard reduction formula for integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power n into d theta. Now for n is odd, it become n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2 etc 2 by 3, as well as when n is even, n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2 etc into pi by 2, which is the reduction formula for the above integration. And problem number 3, evaluate 0 to 5 sin power 4 theta by 1 plus cos theta with respect to dt. Solution, we know that 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So these are all nothing but submultiple angles we are learned in trigonometric functions. On the basis, so we will take the substitution to the given integration. So it becomes 4 sin power 4 theta by 2. Therefore the entire integral, that is 0 to 5 sin power theta by 1 plus cos theta into theta, it is nothing but 0 to 5 4 into sin power 4 into theta by 2. Now put theta by 2 is equal to some t, otherwise theta is equal to 2 into dt. So we will take with respect to theta is a function of t, so then it becomes d theta equals 2 into dt. Also when theta equals 0, t goes to 0. When theta equals 5, then t goes to 5 by 2. Therefore the given integral becomes 4 times of 0 to 5 by 2 sin power 4 t with respect to theta, with respect to t. Therefore, the value of this integration is nothing but 4 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 5 by 2. Total it becomes 3 pi by 4. Next, evaluate 0 to 1 x power 3 by 2 into 1 minus x to the power of 3 by 2 into dx. Now we will take, let I is equal to the given integral. Now you call it as equation number 1. Again, by taking the suitable substitution for computing this integration, put x equals sin square theta on the basis dx equals 2 sin theta cos theta into dt. Now we will look at the limit when x equals 0, theta equals 0, x equals 1, theta equals pi by 2. Therefore, equation 1 becomes integration 0 to 5 by 2 sin cube theta. Again here 2 will cancel and 1 minus sin square theta to the power of 3 by 2 into dx, that is 2 sin theta cos theta into dt. Now after simplification of all this equation reduced to 2 into integration pi by 2 sin power theta cos power theta into dt. Now by using the reduction formula, now if I apply the reduction formula for integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power mx nx into dx, on the basis the value of this integration, it becomes 3 pi by 128. And one more, show that integration 0 to 5 x sin power x cos power x into dx equals 3 pi square by 515. Now let us we take the right hand side, let in is equal to the given integral. So on changing x to pi minus x in the left hand side of the integration, it becomes like that. Now here sin of pi minus x, it is lies in second quadrant, it is in negative, but it has 6 times, therefore sin power 6 5 minus x, it becomes sin power 6x, and similarly cos of minus x is cos x, therefore it becomes cos power x with respect to x. Now we can split into two functions for this. If I take phi as constant in the outside, then it becomes two integrals. Again, the right hand side of this integration, that is in, and this minus in will become left hand side, that is 2 times of in equals, instead of 0 to 5 we can write 2 times of 0 to 5 by 2 sin power 6x into cos power of 4x with respect to x. Now here we will cancel 2 to 1 both sides, therefore in is equal to 5 times of, by using once again the product of the reduction formula, on the basis the value of this integration is nothing but like, after simplification we may get 3 pi square by 512. And one more, evaluate integration 0 to pi by 4 tan 4x with respect to x. Now we know the result in, that is the reduction formula for tan power nx with respect to x, that is in equals 1 by n minus 1 minus I of n minus 2, where in equals integration 0 to pi by 4 tan 4 x with respect to x. By putting n equals 4, we get I4 equals 1 by 3 minus I2. For n equals 2, we get I2 equals 1 minus I0. For n equals 0, I0 equals integration 0 to pi by 4 tan power 0 with respect to x, that is 1. Therefore, the values is pi by 4. Therefore, if I take all this substitution, in the case for n equals 4, that is I4 equals integration 0 to 5 by 4 into tan 4x into dx. Now it becomes 1 by 3 minus I2. This equals 1 by 3 minus I2 means already we calculated. This is 1 minus I0. Now simplify this value, we may get 3 pi minus 8 by 12. Now similarly, we can work out all these exercise problems by using the above ideas, and let us remove some multiple choice questions on the basis of the above concept. Under this, the first one is the value of the definite integration 0 to 5 sin for x with respect to x. See, the option is 3. And second one, the value of the definite integration 0 to pi by 2 cos 4x into dx. For the solution to this, the option 2. The value of the definite integral 0 to pi by 4 tan square x into dx. For the solution, the option 1. Next, the value of the definite integral 0 to infinity x power 4 e power minus x with respect to x is option 1. The value of the definite integration 0 to pi by 2 sin for x into cos for x cos square with respect to x, the option is 4. Now, these are some reference books I referred to prepare this concept of problem solving on some reduction formulas. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.